Let's take a look at how it works. As I hop into engagement, let's pretend that I am a CRM marketer and I'd like to drive repeat purchases from my customer base. I'm interested in customer LTV, so increasing this particular metric would be beneficial to hit my target. I've sent some email campaigns, but I haven't gotten the click-through rate and conversions that I'd hoped for, so I need to do things differently. My first step is to tell Loomi where to find an opportunity. In other words, by entering these customer properties, Loomi will help find millions of possible combinations of these properties, like segments that share New York as a common location and female as the gender. My second step is to enter metrics. This is how I'll determine which segments are valuable to me. A good best practice is to enter key goals for my campaign, like click-through rate, customer lifetime value, and conversions. And with that, we're done. In the background, Loomi is using a special AI technique called formal concept analysis to find millions and millions of possible combinations of properties and metric values. Now let's see what Loomi has found for us. Each of these bubbles represent a segment. And as you can see, Loomi has found thousands of possible segments. Great! Referring back to my goal, I'd like to drive repeat purchases and increase LTV. So let's find a segment with high LTV, but hasn't purchased recently and has low click-through rate. After clicking around a few segments, I find this one that's great. This particular segment, 506, has a super high LTV, 54% higher than my overall customer base. It also has a low click-through rate, 65% worse than average. I also have learned some key insights about this segment. This segment is primarily on mobile, is female, has a skin shade of peach, has a category affinity for foundation. This is a great insight that I can use to drive more repeat purchases. Some of the reasons for the low click-through rate might be that my email content wasn't optimized for mobile. Maybe my content wasn't personalized. What I'll do now is target this specific segment in a new campaign, ensure my imagery and layout is optimized for mobile, and recommend products these customers love. With just a click, I can instantly create this segment. And because this is now a regular segment in engagement, I can use it anywhere I would normally use a segment, like an email campaign, in scenarios, in my reports, and more. So to recap, AutoSegments help marketers identify opportunities and automatically generates segments to target. It also gives marketers key insights about the segment based on the given customer properties, enabling marketers to personalize experiences and drive conversions.